That guy doesn't know where he's going. He's going... What the hell? Holy shit.
You can use your voice to control phone, radio, media, and navigation in your car. Now you'll hear a list of commands for each app. You can interrupt at any time by pressing the voice button. Possible navigation commands are show map, find place, find city, find intersection, find address, go home, save places, research places. Possible phone commands are call, followed by a contact.
Right away.
Call commands are call, followed by a contact.
Right away.
Call, followed by a number. Call.
Oh!
shopping list is pretty sweet, or pretty straightforward. I can get everything in Sprouts for our first 3 days. Some banana cups. Those are there. It's very long Fiesta burrito wrap things. And we get one of our breakfast, they're breakfast bars. Wow.
You need to stay.
I will. Got that on video.
I'm gonna go check on
Yep.
this.
Spinner right now.
Hey everyone, it's One Stop Guy. How's everybody doing today? Hey, it looks like there is a big old accident here right in front of my apartment here. I just came back from my morning coffee and I saw a bunch of cars getting smashed in here right in front of where I live. And it looks like this silver BMW right here ran, basically hit the other 3 cars from behind, and so the cars are getting pushed up, so it hits all the other cars. And here's a tow truck getting ready to tow it away. And I was talking to some guys standing around. They said that they heard somebody, hit and run around 5 a.m. and just took off. So that's what we're assuming. But this is right in front of my apartment here, and it's pretty major here. So it looks like you can see this silver BMW ran into this Honda here, and then that Honda hits the red car, and also the red car hits the truck right in front. And so there are police here. They're doing reports, I guess. And I just saw it while driving home, so just want to film it real quick and share with you guys, all right? But yeah, this is crazy, things can happen anywhere, right? This is like right in front of my apartment. So I thought it was interesting, so just record it so you guys can take a look at it. All right guys, I'm gonna go ahead and head in because I'm gonna start going to work. I don't want to be late for work, so I'm gonna have to say goodbye to you guys right now. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave them down below, okay? Or any comments. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, okay guys? Because I will have more exciting videos to come, and I don't want you guys to miss out, all right? With that being said, just want to say thanks a lot for watching, and you guys have a great day. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.
And don't forget, if you want your Dashcam clip featured on a DCTV episode, you can send it here on DCTV. It's simple and easy. For more details, have a look at the description below. Help everyone learn from your experience. I'm Ann and this is Nicole. Thanks for watching. Bye.